Welcome. In this video I will show you how to toggle foolproof FN control feature on LENOVO V15. To do that, you first have to enter BIOS. To enter BIOS on your computer, you have to turn off your device completely, then short press the power button to turn it on, and then repeatedly start pressing the F2 button until the BIOS menu appears on your screen. Once you are here, you can navigate between tabs using left and right arrow keys. To navigate between options, use down and up arrow keys. This way, select foolproof FN control option in the configuration tab, and then press enter to change the value, and then you can disable it by selecting disabled or enable it by selecting enabled. Now to save changes and exit, press F10 and enter. To reset default settings, press F9, and to exit without applying changes, press escape. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.